Let's take a look at the Nokia 2.2 device. As usual, the flat packaging from Nokia and part of the Android One program. Inside the box, there is the phone unit, which we'll come to in a bit. As part of the kit, there is the charger.
Micro USB cable, no type C, but I guess that's understandable given the price point of this phone.
And headphones with a 3.5mm jack. In terms of documentation, seems to be quite a few manuals here. Probably just multiple languages. One of them is English. And also included here, I noticed something heavy. It's a battery. It's been a while since we've seen detachable batteries. Let's take a look at the phone. The unit is black in color. Nokia calls this tungsten black. We'll do a full review and put it through its paces to see how it does. So there you have it, the Nokia 2.2 device.